Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to hide a message in Discord. So let's get started. At first let's go to Discord app. So here it is. Now here we are in the message. Now to hide any message we can simply tap on the message, and what we can do is write two bars. Now write your message inside the parentheses, that is brackets, and close it with the bars again. Now send it. You can see this black over your message. So this is how you can hide your message in Discord. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.